Hi, welcome again to Universal Containers, where today I'm going to showcase this 20-foot container, which I'm going to use either as a welfare cabin, it can be a storage cabin as well. First show you the outside. So it's a 20-foot standardised shipping container, straight from the docks. Emergency exit, fire door in the side wall, a condenser, which you'll soon see when we go inside. There's an air conditioning unit, and it's got a high-level frosted window. Right, so that's it for the outside. Now let's open this baby up. So in this toilet, it's fully kitted out for disabled use, dock end pack, full grab rails, handrails in the correct positions. It's the correct size for the turning wheel of the wheelchair. And obviously it's got the emergency pull cord should anything go drastically wrong in here. Extraction. I know what some of the guys on sites are like nowadays. Unleash the beast! Gets rid of any nasty smells. So inside here is your main welfare setup. So bit of a basic sink, hand wash station, hand dryer. Fully fitted with galvanised trunking and conduit, this one. The client wanted air conditioning. Something up with that. Oh, some numpties nicked the batteries. Happens all the time round here, that.
Happens all the time, don't it, love?
Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.